What's going on, guys? I hope you're all doing well and staying healthy. So listen, I get a lot of comments on a pretty regular basis about my hair, both good and bad. Now, some of those comments are justified and some others really aren't, but we've all got our own opinions and I respect that. I also get a lot of regular questions about what particular products I use on my hair. So today I wanted to make this quick sponsor-free video and talk about it, so stick with me. Okay, welcome back, and as always, I'm glad that you're here. If you're new to my channel, first of all, really quick, I'm glad that you found us. My name's John, and I'm the founder of 40overfashion.com. I've been making videos and writing content that's been helping men since 2014. So if you're interested in men's lifestyle topics for grown-ups, please consider subscribing because I'd love to have you come hang out and chat it up in the comments. There was a time, actually not very long ago, that I was growing my hair out and I was trying a bunch of new things with it. And I guess that's when I received the most comments. So I'm always suggesting that you try to step outside of your comfort zone from time to time and try new things. And as most of you know, the entire reason that this channel exists is to prove that it's never too late and that you're never too old to make a change in your life and try something new. So since I practice what I preach around here, I'm always trying new things, and sometimes they work and sometimes they don't. And I'm okay with that. But since I put myself out there with these videos, when they fail, I hear about it, but at least I can say that I tried. Okay, so let's start with the shampoo and the conditioner that I use. And for me, I love Aveda products and I use their Men's Pure Performance line. Now, I was first introduced to Aveda back in about 2015 when I was asked to be a special guest for this Men's Night Out promotion hosted by Seattle Magazine. I was so impressed that I bought 2 bottles of shampoo and conditioner that night, and I really have never looked back. Now, I have tried other shampoos and conditioners over the years, but I always come back to Aveda. Just a quick warning though, this is not inexpensive stuff. We're talking almost $60 with sales tax for both of these bottles combined, but since I don't use the conditioner every day, I probably use the shampoo about 2 to 1 over the conditioner, so it's not like I have to spend $60 every time. But with that said, I'm completely on board with it, and at this point, I don't even care. Guys, they use natural ingredients that aren't damaging to your hair or your skin. They don't use crazy harsh lathering or sudsing chemicals. So if you get some to try, don't be too surprised if it doesn't lather up like you just went through a car wash. And speaking of trying some, I'll do my best, guys, to put some direct links to everything that I talk about here down below in the description. It smells amazing like lavender, and I'm telling you, if this stuff ever goes away, I will freak out. So next, after lightly towel drying my hair after the shower, I will put in this argan oil to help maintain hair strength, shine, and softness. So argan oil is basically a really good moisturizer, not only for your hair, but for your scalp as well. So it can be used to fight dandruff and dry scalp because it's very high in vitamin E and antioxidants. Also, since I use a blow dryer every day, I'll get to that in a minute, it also helps add a layer of heat protection to my hair. So I was using a different kind from Redken, but that one got pretty hard to find, so I ended up picking this one up from a local store a few weeks ago, and it seems to be doing the job perfectly. Okay, back to shampoo for just a minute. So I made a video, I guess about a year ago, talking about purple shampoo and if it really worked. The short answer is yes, it does. But if you want to see that video and see me in the shower using it, I'll put a link up here somewhere and also down below in the description. So I was using this more expensive purple shampoo from Pravana, but as you're probably aware, Amazon was only shipping essential items for a while, so I couldn't even get it. So I ended up getting this one, sulfate-free from L'Oreal at a store locally, and I'm pretty happy with it. It seems to be working, and I use it about 2 to 3 times per week. The benefit is, if you have gray or white hair, this cancels out that weird brassy tan tint that can appear in your hair, and this will end up making it look more silver. Okay, moving on to styling products. This is the sexy stuff that everybody wants to know about. It seems like everyone wants to know what you use in your hair. So I've tried a lot of different products, from clay to pomade to paste and hairspray, texture spray, pre-styling sea salt and wax. I've used a lot of different stuff. Some I like and some I don't. But for me, right now, I used a layrite cement clay, and I keep coming back to it. It just works. With wet hair, after applying some argan oil, I'll use a little bit of the clay and then work it in my hair all over. Then I use a blow dryer with either a curved brush or a round brush, kind of depending on how long my hair is at that time. I used a brush to add volume, and the heat helps lock in that volume and also the direction that I want my hair to go. I'll finish with cold air for about 30 seconds, and that also helps to lock everything in place. Once my hair is dry, I use a little more of this clay, which puts kind of that finishing hold on everything. The thing that I do pay attention to is that whatever products I put in my hair needs to be water soluble. So I've used like wax-based products before, and I hate that it's just so hard to shampoo that stuff out. Also, one more thing, if you have gray hair, the color of the product that you use can and will influence the color tint to your hair over time. So I used to use this pomade from Boardwalk, and it was brown. I loved using it, but over time it made my hair have kind of a weird brassy tan tint to it. And this was even before I was using purple shampoo. I stopped using that, and I went with this other stuff from Kraft that was this kind of light blue color. The tan tint went away. So if you have gray or white hair, just keep that in mind. The layrite stuff that I use is white, so that's a non-issue. Guys, that's it for me. I hope you got something out of this video, and I do thank you for your time. If you're a subscriber, that means I'll see you in just a few days for a brand new video. But until then, guys, live well, stay healthy, and I do hope to see you soon.